Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my dear students of grade 5A and 5B? I hope you all will be fine. Today I am going to revise all the important questions and answers along with the words meanings for your curriculum, which has been designed for your first term examination. First of all, here is a task containing the important words meanings. The word emphasis means special attention. I will repeat, the word emphasis means special attention. Naturalist is a person who is expert of plants, means anyone who is having a lot of expertise in the studies of plants is called a naturalist. Number 3 word is sheer, S-H-E-E-R. Sheer means steep, a vertical side, vertically straight. The word sheer means steep. Number 4 word is indicated. It means gave a signal. The word indicated means gave a signal. Number 5 word is drawbacks. It means faults, problems or errors. The word drawbacks means faults, shortcomings, problems or any errors. Number 6 word is reasoning. It means logic. The word committees means groups of workers. Here are 4 options: groups of animals, groups of plants, groups of items or groups of workers. So the most suitable option is groups of workers for the word committees. Number 8, we have a word union. It means combination. The word union means combination. So this is a true sentence. The word union means combination. Here we have short questions. The word debate means to discuss. The word debate means to discuss. The word consults means gets advice. The word destiny means fate. The word unsure means doubtful. The word unsure means doubtful. The word reveal means to show a hidden thing. The word access means to get something. The word advance means to move forward. The word cite means to give a reference. The word debris means wreckage. The word circumstances means facts and figures. My dear students, in order to score 100% and absolute complete marks, you must learn the spellings of these words as well. Following the revision of words meanings, we are going to study the important questions and answers. In other words, we are going to do something about comprehensions, which I have selected from 4 lessons. The writer's complete name is Henry David Thoreau. You know, there is a lesson in our English reading or writing book, A Life in the Woods. The writer or the author has a complete name, Henry David Thoreau. Question number 2. Cinderella scribbled her name on a piece of paper. Number 3. The prince agreed to do the show. Number 4. The prince wanted to help his mother raise money for charity. Number 5. Henry is a famous naturalist and writer. Number 6. Henry had a great deal of company in his office. So it is a false sentence here. Actually, he had a great deal of company in his house or cabin. Henry went back to Concord. So it is a true sentence. Number 8. Multitasking means doing many tasks at the same time. Number 9. Some people say that electronic media doesn't benefit the kids. So this is a true sentence. Number 10. The prince wanted to search the purple sneakers owner. Here are 4 options: purple, pink, black and white. If you have read the story The Modern Cinderella, it will be quite obvious to you that the color of sneaker is purple. The prince wanted to search the purple sneaker's owner. Number 11. The name was scribbled by princes. Number 12. The writer will turn his newspapers into a book. It is a false statement. It is not true. Actually, he will turn his journal diaries into a book. Number 13. You are going to choose the correct spelling for the prince's name, Cinderella, Cinderella. Number 14. The tax was imposed on the British. It is a false statement. Actually, the tax was imposed on the colonists. Number 15. The militias were a group of volunteers and fighters. The militias were a group of volunteers and fighters. Number 16. The king recognized the nation's independence in 1738. So it is a false statement. Actually, the king recognized the nation's independence in the year 1783. And the last one, the prince decided to travel the entire kingdom. The correct option is kingdom. My dear students, please study all these important questions and answers. These two tasks do not cover all the questions which are going to appear in your tomorrow's exam, but hopefully that a complete revision of these two tasks will help you a lot in securing maximum marks. I hope you will do well. All the best wishes. Have a nice time.